Here's the big problem. Most artists spend almost all their time painting finished art and very little time, if any, experimenting, trying new ideas, new mediums, expressive brushwork, anything that would actually pull them away from painting tight, predictable art. So here's the breakdown. If you spend all your time painting finished art, yes, you'll improve, but it's slow and kind of boring too. You're playing it safe and you're not taking risks. And your growth, it's gradual. Now flip that. When you experiment, when you throw the kitchen sink at it, now you're discovering new possibilities. You're training your eye, you're expanding your range of motion, you're learning how to create in ways that you've never done before. Yeah, it gets messy. Yeah, it can feel like a step backward or a waste of materials. But the breakthroughs, they're bigger, they're faster, and way more rewarding. That trajectory becomes a much steeper climb. And honestly, it's a lot more fun because now you're not chasing a result, you're exploring. You're finding your voice, your subjects, unique color combinations, your way of doing things. So stop putting all the pressure on finished art. Give yourself space and time to experiment because that's where the real growth happens. If you enjoyed this, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll keep sharing ideas to help you paint loose and think differently.